Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, congratulations are in order for Uboiti. So she recently scored herself a deal, and this is what she posted on Instagram 4 hours ago as I'm posting this video. She said, "Yay, look who's joined the Omoda family. So excited to be part of the team behind the most exciting automotive company in South Africa right now. I've been thoroughly enjoying my new baby, the Omoda C9, which is coming to South Africa this August. Let's get to work, fam." And then she tagged Omoda South Africa. So guys, yeah, this is really a big deal for Uboiti, and congratulations once again. Seeing that this is going to be the first time this car is in South Africa, and she is the one who's launching the car, because she is the one who's going to be driving it before anyone else. This is such a huge deal because it's not in South Africa yet. It's going to be coming in South Africa in August. So she is the one who is setting the trend for this new car. So yeah, man, congratulations are really in order for her. She looks so gorgeous in this car. It looks so good on her. You can check the outfit, check the car, even the color of the outfit that she chose. It just goes hand in hand with this car, So congratulations to Boiti for reaching this. It's a really huge deal, guys. It's a really huge deal to people who love cars. I'm sure people who are moneyed, those who are moneyed today, are going to be getting this car as soon as it comes to South Africa. That's all, guys. Please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video. I will see you on my next one.